Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher download speed. Load up Rockstar Games Launcher and once you are signed in your account, go and press on Settings. And when you are in Settings, go to the left hand side and press on Updates. Now we need to check these two options. First, we need to check throttle downloads and then allow background download while in-game. Now here in maximum download rate, you want to match it to your download speed. So for example, my download speed is 10 megabytes per second. So you can choose up to your download speed. And that's how you do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.